Those of you that are familiar with the Bytebrother's power panel know that it was designed for IP camera installers. Well, this is the Camera Wizard, and this was designed for CCTV camera installers. And it is a super powerful piece of equipment that can test every piece of CCTV gear that you're going to run into on the job. Let me flip it on. I'm going to hit menu item 2 so we can immediately take a look at some video. I happen to have a Spico camera here, and I'm going to connect it to my video in jack. I get a nice, clear color picture on my screen. Black and white would be the same. That's one powerful feature when you can see the video from the camera you're installing immediately on the tester. The second most powerful feature is the Camera Wizard's ability to display the video signal's amplitude right on top of the picture that's being displayed. It's a little hard to see, and so I'm going to give you a little more contrast, but that is telling me that the peak-to-peak voltage of the video signal coming out of this camera is 1.99 volts. I'll do it again to give you another shot to take a look at that. It also, by the way, is telling me my sync signal voltage, which is also useful to know. If your video signal is not at least 1 volt peak to peak, then your video recorder is not going to be able to record the surveillance video. And that is key. So right on top of the video signal, in the video display, we can display the peak-to-peak voltage of your video camera. That is an extremely powerful feature. The Video Camera Wizard can also put out a RS-485 signal to drive the pan, tilt, and zoom functions of your camera. This particular Spico camera is not capable of pan and tilt, but it is capable of zoom. So let's go ahead and test that. I'm going to take my RS-485 adapter, which you get with the Camera Wizard, and I'm going to connect it to the Spico camera's RS-485 port. And make sure I get the polarity right here. Now, I already have my Camera Wizard set up to the Pelco D protocol, which is the most popular, and there are up to 20 different protocols that are buried in the Camera Wizard that you can select. This happens to be Pelco D.